How to use voice changer on PC. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. So the first one is VoiceMod. Go ahead and click on the website. It's going to be voicemod.net. And then all you're going to do is download it for free. But whenever you download it, it's going to show all the different voices that you're going to be able to use, also some examples, and you can change your voice to a lot of different characters, and it has real-time voice technology, which is really cool. So if I want to go ahead and check out the loot for all the latest voices, I could go ahead and check that, and then I'm going to see all the different voices that I'll be able to use, like so, regardless of like whoever you are or whatever you sound like originally. The next one is going to be Clownfish Voice Changer. Now this one isn't as good as VoiceMod, to be honest. However, it is good if your PC isn't that powerful, because it obviously does require CPU usage. So use VoiceMod if your PC is fine and it's pretty good, and use Clownfish Voice Changer if your PC isn't that good. So all you got to do is click on it and then you'll be able to download it right here. But there's going to be a lot of voice effects lists that you're going to be able to use, and you can even do custom pitches as well if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that.